So against this strong glass, no, it did not break. So I'm gonna try a weaker glass and see if that does anything. Actually, my friend's gonna do it now since he got here. All right, I'm gonna back up. All right, go. Let's see. So that is my mistake. I accidentally cut it short. But yeah, it destroyed it. It completely went through this one. It's a lot thinner than that one that I tried to shoot earlier. So yeah, and we're gonna pick up all the pieces because we're nice. And yeah, subscribe for more Airsoft content. And yeah.
So as a lot of you may be able to tell, that video is fake and a load of rubbish. And I'm gonna prove what FPS it actually takes to break thin glass. We're going to be starting off with this 250 FPS pistol and then working up to a 350 FPS rifle. This is the 350 FPS rifle. Pistol at point blank. So as you can see, this pistol did nothing. Now with the rifle. Like I said before, guys, neither of them even scratched the glass. That'll be all for today's video, guys. Make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Airsoft content. See you guys in the next one.